Hello there, gorgeous ladies. Thank you so very much. This is absolutely stunning. A beautiful short hairstyle on a beautiful black lady. You'll find beautiful and amazing hairstyles right here that should help you look beautiful and stylish all day long. Definitely beautiful and amazing hairstyle looks right here when it comes to the pixel haircut. You'll find some of the most beautiful black women pixel haircut ideas right here. Some of the latest short hairstyles right here to give you that beautiful look, and you can't go wrong with any of those choices or beautiful pictures that we have taken our time to compile for you if you decide to try it out. The pixel haircut is a top choice for lots of women out there. Lots of ladies prefer to go for the pixel cut because it definitely gives them that youthful look, and of course it depends on your face shape and type. Beautiful and amazing ways you can wear this pixel hair look. Some of the best and amazing barbers and creative hands out there continuously turn up with beautiful and amazing styles of pixel that you can definitely try out, and our mission right here is to present or bring forward the most beautiful, the most recent, and the most uniquely styled pixel cut hairstyles when it comes to your short hairstyling. You can find beautiful and amazing TWA style or pixel cut. You can also find the straight cut pixel haircut. You can find beautiful and amazing coily pixel haircuts. It all depends on your preference and what you like or what definitely suits your face. We really want you to make a style selection from the videos that we share with you on this channel. It's a very good thing. It gives us great joy to know that we actually helped you make that very successful and informed decision when it comes to your short hairstyling, especially while going for the pixel haircut. So go right ahead and watch this video through the end. Leave us a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Keep coming back for more, and of course check up on our previously uploaded videos for more ideas like these. Keep it with us here always. You take care and bye.